Hey everyone! Today, oh yeah, okay, so remember that video where I was like, hey guys, I broke my camera. Hello, I did indeed break my Canon G7X Mark II. Well, we were making shepherd's pie. So this has come full circle, kind of. New camera, we're making shepherd's pie. Hopefully I don't break this camera while I make shepherd's pie again. So today we're making shepherd's pie. And also these pickle things, I'm not sure what are they? It's just pickles wrapped in pastry. But like, where have you heard of this? You just do it! Okay, let's get to it. Haha, they kissed. And he's still ugly. If Jack keeps that in, we're watching the Hunchback of Notre Dame before it caught on fire. How many carrots? Let's do a 3.
No.
Alright, carrots first. What?
What do you want now?
Did you say something? I didn't hear you.
What do you want now?
You choose. I chose like the last 5 movies. Without making a mess. Cooking is an art, okay? It takes time.
No.
Yeah.
did I mess that up? I have one extra one?
I don't know.
2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 11?
Let's see. Okay, drizzle some olive oil. Okay. And salt and pepper if you want it. Oh my goodness. Mom said I will be home for dinner. Can I just reply?
Ask her why.
Okay, I'll say why. I was gonna reply yes. Oh no.
Special guest, Papa Bear.
Thanks, Dad.
25 minutes. But I don't really know what's going on with those crisps that I
Okay, so check back in a bit.
check in 10 minutes.
Okay, so you know how you told me to text mom? Okay. So our mom went out and then she texted me, she said I will be home for dinner. So then we decided to mess with her. So I said, why? Then she said, what do you mean why? Then I said, I don't know. And then she said, is dinner ready? And then we said, I thought you were buying McDonald's for dinner. You wanna say it?
I would not say those things.
She said some mean things. Jen wants a Big Mac. I'll have the McChicken.
Yeah.
Love you.
Weird.
Okay, we'll check back in 5 minutes. Isn't that hot?
Yep. Ew, your carrots taste gross.
I kind of had a feeling they would. Maybe try it with ranch. Okay. Well, at least the potatoes taste good in the end.
Yeah, I want the sauce. It's gross, eh?
Yeah, I don't really like the carrot. I shall stick with my potatoes. Okay, we'll check back with the little ones when the little ones are done.
I think it's because the carrots were raw. Isn't there an actual movie called Fly to the Moon? And it's about a fly going to the moon?
I don't know.
I'm pretty sure there is.
If there is, Jack, can you insert it?
And the ultimate Fly Boys.
Whoa.
You hate it too.
I don't hate it, but I don't love it. But yeah, it does taste better with sauce. Sauce is spicy. Is that heavy? Yeah. Okay, thanks, Jen. All right, let's try it. Good.
What do you like, lamb or beef more?
I think lamb.
You like lamb more? I don't know what I like. They're both unique in their own way.
But it tastes good. Oh my gosh, I love it. I love potatoes. I'm so glad we were able to film this time. You're very quiet. Ah!
That's fine.
Hi, Dad.
Okay.
I think that's it. You have anything else to say? If you enjoyed
Comment
the video.
down below. Which do you prefer, beef or lamb? You always yell at me that's never anything relevant and something always stupid and random. That was a good question.
Yeah, what's a good question? What was I saying? Oh yeah, if you liked the video, like the video. Subscribe if you haven't already. And yeah, until next time, we'll see you later.